Hello everybody, it's me, Beau with Knox Studio. Today I am coming to you with this microphone. Now, the audio that you are hearing right now is actually coming from my voice into the iPhone. Now, I'd like to give you a real-world demonstration of what it sounds like when I were to talk through this microphone right here. It sounds a lot different, doesn't it? Now, this is the exact same audio that's plugged into my iMac, and then this is going out to my Zoom calls, Skype calls, when I'm corresponding with ICN, the International Children's Network, about creating a documentary about their orphan choir in Liberia, of which we will be going in April. We're very excited about that. And also working with Hope 2, another amazing group of missionaries also in Liberia, killing two birds with one stone, because let's be honest, flights can be very expensive going over there. So when we're over there, we're trying to be very economical with our time. But anyway, back to the microphone. This is a real world example. And look, you can even adjust it up and down. It's got like this little spit pop filter type thing. So if I were to say pop, 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 like that, and then if I were to move this and do that same thing, pop, 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 you can hear those pops a lot more, huh? So that pop filter kind of filters that out. And you can make it rather easily with actually some pantyhose that you can actually stretch some nylons over like a wire type frame. And it looks a lot better though when you're on a Zoom call and you don't have like underwear on there. But it sounds pretty good. So I'm going to leave a link to this also in this email. If you want to shop around, you don't have to get this exact one, but they're all over Amazon. They plug in via USB and they can swing out of the way when you don't need them anymore. And it just kind of ups your level of correspondence on your Zoom calls or Skype calls or anything like that. And it's highly recommended. It just ups your professionalism a bit more for relatively dirt cheap. It's less than $70, especially considering how much we're corresponding online, not just this past year, but probably for years to come also. So I hope this helps. My name is Beau. Thank you for sending us here at Knox Studio to go out and free the isolated. That's what our nonprofit does best. God bless you.